Yo, major market updates. Y'all can see the shirt. I'm feeling bullish. All right, so let's get right to it. What's happening right now as we're looking at the markets? Very big news. And again, fresh off the press, US China agreed to reach a deal to slash tariffs, officials say. All right, so this was agreed on just right off the press. So we've basically seen that there's been a 90-day pause on measures and tariffs will come down by 100 percentage points to just 10%, right? So again, that's basically what's happening on the tariffs that is basically on China. Both countries represented national interest very well. Besson said, interest on balanced trade. That's basically what's happening, right? So again, it's looking good, right? So again, 10% for 90 days is going to be a pause. And that's fantastic news. How is the markets reacting to this? Let's get right down to business and let's figure out what's basically happening, right? So if you actually can see, the tariff brought nearly $600 billion two-way trade to a standstill. It was disrupting supply chains, sparking fears of stagflation. Again, it was, as I said, it was a lose-lose situation from the get-go, and I'm very glad the countries have actually agreed. So let's get right down to it. Let's see how the markets are actually reacting to it, baby. All right, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to how we're looking like on the S&P 500 futures. And obviously, the S&P 500 futures currently right now, as we are speaking, is up nearly about 2.54%, looking to, from the lows in April, looking to possibly break all-time highs again really soon, not much far away from it, right? So that's been crazy. That's been amazing. All right. We're also, having a look at the NASDAQ as well with over a 3% increase, right? Overnight trading, as in currently right now, right? So the market's going to be very bullish this today as everything is piling up and pushing up. That's been absolutely amazing, right? Again, from the lows of April, we've seen an increase of pretty much 23%, right? Just on the NASDAQ alone, which has been absolutely amazing. I've been laddering in like crazy on the NASDAQ, especially. And of course, one more thing that's actually recovering is your US dollar, right? So your DXY is coming out of a slump and is really recovering. US dollars is back up, which is great. It was going on a downtrend for quite a bit over the last a couple of months, all the way down. You can see the DXY. The DXY is the US dollar index, is all the way down. This is a very big trade that I actually put on, which was the USD HGD, where I was buying basically a lot more USD, expecting it to rise again quite a bit, especially with this entire tariff nonsense behind us, right? So that's fantastic. And of course, just to share with you guys, the biggest gainers have been seen actually in the crypto space, right? The crypto space has been absolutely nuts. Bitcoin in the last 1 month has rallied from a low of 75,000 all the way currently right now to 104,000, pretty much almost reaching all-time highs already, right? All-time highs being, at 100 and about 9,000, right? And we're looking to break that maybe very soon, perhaps this week. But again, be cautious. I've been buying pretty much right here, taken a very good movement up, but pretty much we are almost at this resistance, right? So just got to be cautious, right? I would definitely be buying on any good retracements, right? So right now, retracement is back to possibly 100, maybe about 95, 98,000. But, currently right now, we are pretty much at resistance for Bitcoin. So unless, and of course, we see a retracement, I am basically taking off my profits, right? So that's something that I'm actually doing, right? Just being cautious. Again, for me, my style of trading very simply is I like to go and buy on any retracements, right? So that's basically what's up, right? So obviously right here is a resistance. So again, being cautious, let's wait for it to actually properly break up before we look at, any re-entries or whatever not, right? So Bitcoin, but, an outperformer has really been Ethereum. Ethereum has been going absolutely kabusa, boom, right? Absolutely nuts. The increase in Ethereum, unleash it's been insane, right? In the last pretty much 1 month, it's, as you all can see, it's up 76%, right? So Ethereum is one of my larger positions in my portfolio as well. So that's been doing really well for me. You guys can see that there's a resistance that I pointed out pretty much at about $2,800, right? So I still see a bit more upside to come, all right? So my first take profit levels is 2005. My second take profit levels would be about $2,800. That's for Ethereum, and it's gone absolutely nuts. But again, very far off from previous highs that we saw in December or so, right? Will that hit eventually? I am pretty positive that it will. It's just a matter of time, right? And Solana as well. After multiple months of really dropping like a rock, we've seen a good increase from a low of $97 all the way to 175, right? Literally right now, over 100% increase, right? Pretty much 100% increase, right? Over 90%, close to 100% increase. But you guys can see that there's a resistance pretty much right here at about $200. 190 $200 is where resistance is, right? So we're gonna see prices really see a bit more upside. But again, I'm just being cautious. I would much rather prefer buying on any retracements. But that's basically what's up, right? But again, overall, very, very, very positive news for the markets. Good news after a whole barrage of bad news that really, really killed many, a lot of gains, right? So again, I'm pretty bullish. Again, because of my actions that I took in April, right now I'm reaping the harvest, taking off some profits right now, waiting for any, good, meaningful retracement before I actually enter, right? But again, generally very, very, very good news. I feel pretty positive with the markets, and that's basically what I'm seeing, right? Again, another trade which I see really, which is gonna pan out pretty beautifully is your US dollar index. I expect this to rise a lot more, to come back up at least 105 in terms of DXY, right? So that's something we're going to be seeing. Your US dollar going to be increasing soon. That's pretty much what I'm seeing. Again, it's not financial advice, but pretty much my own personal point of view, right? So again, do trade with caution, and of course, if you want to know a little bit more about what I'm looking at for next level upside, a little bit more of insights with regards to what I'm trading with altcoins and with some individual stocks. I'm doing a session on Tuesday, right? So the link is right down below. Make sure you register. It's a full 2-hour session where I'm going to break down everything that I'm doing, right? So do make sure you register for it. I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be on Tuesday. Take care. See y'all there. Bye bye. And let's get bullish.